Dive into the critical world of first impressions with U.C.C.A. InstaLearn Essential Business Phone Etiquette. Your voice is often the first handshake a customer experiences, making or breaking valuable business relationships. This course unveils the art of professional phone communication, transforming every call into an opportunity to enhance your company's reputation. Learn the nuances of tone, the power of active listening, and the importance of courteous language to leave your callers with a lasting positive impression, whether resolving issues or answering inquiries. Mastering phone etiquette positions you as the friendly voice of your organization, building trust and loyalty with every conversation. Embrace the strategies within to become an ambassador of excellence over the phone.